Hello, BDL Advisor clients. Welcome to the July 2025 Oculus. Haven't seen you for a while. I want to give you a couple of slides in here in this month's Oculus. Two important things. We're going to get back to investing basics, investing 101, interest rates, inflation rates, how much money is in money market accounts. These things are things that we should be aware of as investors, and we think about our retirement planning or estate planning. These things are important, so they really matter. Let's talk about them real quick. Record amounts in money market accounts. I've talked about it before. Why is that happening? Inflation rates were high a few years ago. That raised interest rates, and that eventually raised the interest rate that people were able to get in money market accounts. So they seem attractive. But remember, you still have to pay taxes on that currently if it's a money that's not in an IRA. And then if it's in an IRA, you still have to beat the long-term inflation rate and the tax rate. So sometimes the money market rates appearing this high make you feel good, but you have to think long term. And what is that? After taxes and after inflation for you. So historically, when you pile up money in money market accounts, that means you do have money that you can put into the equity and bond markets. Think about driving your car from Georgia to California. You better have plenty of fuel. Well, cash on the sidelines is fuel for the equity and bond markets. Doesn't guarantee they're going to go up, but I'd rather have it this way than the other way. The other item, really important, inflation rate versus the Fed funds rate. The Fed funds rate is well above the inflation rate. So as long as the inflation rate doesn't tick up, that means that the Fed funds rate will likely fall. That's a good situation for the stock and bond market. I have a slide here showing you what has historically been the average returns in stocks and bonds after this type of structural interest rate situation exists. So I think about the Fed funds rate, well over 4 right now. Inflation rate getting down close to 2. That has boded well in the past. Doesn't mean that it's going to happen again. We can't foretell the future. Hey, we hope your families are great and you're having a great summer and enjoying some time off maybe. From our family to yours, we wish you a happy rest of the summer. If you have any questions about your financial planning or your investment strategy, we got a whole group of CFPs and CFAs ready to help you. So we'd love to hear from you. Please reach out and say hello, or if you have any questions about your planning, of course, send us an email or give us a call. Thanks.